Welcome to Buying Insider. In this video, we will present you with a short buying guide together with a list of the best gas ranges on the market up to date, just to make sure your buying decision is easier. So besides the visual control of the flame and quick, uniform heating, benefits using a gas range include compatibility with all cooktop and oven cookware, surface burners and ovens that still work when the power goes out, but not a fan-driven convection feature, and lower operating costs than electric ranges. Standard models are the least expensive gas ranges you can buy and usually include features like porcelain enamel cooktops, storage drawers, cast iron grates over the burners, dials and knobs for oven and burner control, and oven windows that are typically much smaller than those on more expensive models. Mid-range models start about $650. Features typically include high-performance burners up to 12,500 BTU, digital settings for cooking times and temperatures, storage drawers for pots and pans, oven control lockouts that stop unintended changes to oven settings, a self-cleaning oven, easy-to-clean steel grates over the burners. And then premium models start at around $1,000. Double oven-type gas ranges start at around $1,600. Features typically include high-performance burners up to 17,000 BTU, a bonus fifth burner, a removable stovetop griddle, electronic control panels for programming cook times, convection ovens, and hidden baking elements for easier cleaning. Whether you are looking for the best of the best or the most affordable, you're going to find it here on this list. So if you want to know which one will work best for you, stay tuned. If you want to see more details and the newest prices of the products mentioned in this list, check the links in the description below. First on the list, as best overall, we present you the LG Electronics Slide-In Glass Range. If you like to get dinner on the table as quick as possible, consider the LG 6.3 cubic foot gas slide-in range with Pro Bake convection and easy clean. The controls are easy to read, but the oven touchpads are not super responsive. With its blue interior, bright lighting, and large window, it's easy to check the progress of your food. The LG had a self-clean cycle that removed 100% of baked-on spills and splatters. No more waiting around to bring water and other liquids to a boil. Bring on your oversized roasts, your 24-pound-plus turkeys, your cavalcade of side dishes. If you can dream it, this huge 6.3 cubic foot capacity oven can match your menu stride for stride. With this large capacity oven, you can conquer large meals with room to spare. No more getting burned by inconsistent baking. The LG Pro Bake Convection delivers even, precise heat on every rack every time. Inspired by Pro ranges, with the heating element moved from the bottom of the oven to the back, so your cookies, cakes, roasts, and more are perfectly browned every time. With a depth that lines up with standard kitchen countertops, the LG Gas Slide-In range offers a streamlined, custom appearance that enhances every kitchen decor and makes cooking a pleasure. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our next videos. As best high-end, we recommend the Thor Kitchen Double Oven Convection Gas Range. This professional 48-inch freestanding gas range features a double oven with 6.8 cubic feet total capacity. It comes with 6 sealed burners and a griddle. It also features black porcelain drip pan for easy surface cleaning, heavy-duty continuous cast iron grates, and halogen oven lighting. Thor Kitchen is dedicated to giving you professionally styled kitchen appliances. They have a state-of-the-art facility and first-class technology to develop mainstream kitchen appliances for North America. It comes with 6 specialized burners simultaneously and 1 griddle. Griddle burner is 15,000 BTU, which allows you to cook from a rapid boil to a true simmer. Heavy-duty cast iron cooking grates allow movement of cookware from one burner to another without lifting. Large capacity 30-inch convection oven with infrared broil burner and 1 U-shaped stove burner, as well as a smaller 18-inch oven with 1 U-shaped stove burner. Totally 6.7 cubic feet large capacity allows you to cook multiple dishes at once. The large interior can easily accommodate a big roast, multiple casserole dishes, or several racks of cookies. Thor Kitchen offers the power and performance of a premium pro-style appliance at a practical price. Next on our list as the best slide-in range is the GE Profile 30-inch Smart Gas Range. Enhance your kitchen with this slide-in gas range by GE. The cooktop offers 5 sealed burners, including specialty burners. The tri-ring burner creates intense heat, getting your meals ready faster. The dual-purpose center burner is combined center and oval burner for the ultimate cooking flexibility. Use the extra-large cast-iron reversible griddle for preparing grilled favorites. The oven provides 5.6 cubic feet of capacity, allowing you to prepare an array of dishes. With the Wi-Fi Connect feature, you can control the oven from the convenience of your smartphone. Enjoy baking with true convection for perfectly even results on multiple racks. Keeping your oven spotless is easy thanks to the steam clean and self-clean modes. Use the storage drawer to keep your cookware stored and organized. With this air fryer right in the oven, you can cook healthier, crispier versions of your favorite foods. There's no preheat required, and it shortens the cook time because every minute counts. GE Consumer and Industrial spans the globe as an industry leader in major appliances. Rest assured that you're buying a quality appliance that will serve you for years. We hope you like our selection of products so far, and if you want us to review other products in this category, feel free to comment below. In the category Best Freestanding, we present you with the Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch Freestanding Gas Range. The Frigidaire Gallery Gas Range provides the ultimate in cooking flexibility. From the variable heat-sealed burners with continuous grates and convection bake broil oven to the self-clean and delay start options, this freestanding range can handle it all. The cooktop features 5 individual elements, including an 18,000 BTU oval burner and a 9,500 BTU simmer burner. The 5.0 cubic foot capacity oven features true convection with a dedicated third heating element that ensures even consistent temperatures whether you're broiling or baking. This gallery range is among the first in the market to include air frying directly in the oven. Makes your meals crispier, more delicious, and healthier with none of the guilt. Cleanup is also a breeze with a delayed timed high heat self-clean mode or a 30-minute fast steam clean option that's odorless and chemical-free. Frigidaire is one of the leading suppliers of quality home appliances, and they take pride in offering superior products and services to their customers. As the best budget in today's video, we chose GE's 30-inch freestanding gas range. This 30-inch freestanding gas range features a 4-burner cooktop and griddle. The precise simmer burner is ideal for gentle, perfect simmering, while the 15,000 BTU burner delivers a wide range of heat output. The extra-large integrated non-stick griddle allows you to cook up to 6 grilled cheeses at once. Sealed cooktop burners contain spills, making cleaning quick and easy. The deep recessed cooktop contains spills, making cleaning a breeze. The 5.0 cubic foot sized oven gives you enough room to cook an entire meal all at once. The broiler drawer allows for flexible usage as it can accommodate any sized pan. As can be expected from an entry-level range, this model has few features to speak of. Those looking for convection or a temperature probe will have to look elsewhere. That being said, it does have a couple of frills that make it slightly more appealing than the usual builder's package product. So there you have it, the best 5 gas ranges on the market today. If you found the one on our list that meets your needs and budget, remember to check the link in the description box and catch it at a discounted price. Thank you all for watching. See you next time here at the Buying Insider, your home of